Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you an update on the greenhouse project. If you've been following us, you know that I purchased this greenhouse and we are trying to get it cleaned up so we can move it. And man, has it turned into a job. But just wanted to show you around and show you what all we've done so far. All right, so we made it back over. And as you can see, last time we were working on that stump and it started to rain, but he actually was able to pop it out of the ground with his tractor because he has an enclosed cab, so he wasn't getting wet, but I had already left. So he got that stump, but you can see there's still some roots that kind of go up under there. But we got to get all this dug out of here, and I think our main focus is try to get the vines off of it so we can get to the irrigation system. So we brought the weed eater and the lobbers and chainsaw and just trying to continue to hack away at it. Y'all tell me I'm not crazy for trying to do this. I need some reassuring. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The muscadine vines have just taken over. They're all in the irrigation system and all over the frame. I mean, check that out right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. I mean, look at that. You can't even get in there because of the vines. Yikes. So we brought Ladybug and we just started coming through here and just filling the bucket with junk. And we have a pile that we're starting so we can haul it off to the dump. Good old Ladybug coming in handy again. We love our Branson tractors. Okay, so we've got it somewhat cleared at the entrance, so now we're just going to start tackling the vines and the pots. Whew, it's a job, ain't it, babe?
Yeah, buddy.
Call us crazy.
Did you see that?
Yes.
That's a fail.
So we got all of those hanging baskets down, and now we're working on the vines. And a lot of the pots were broken, so we're loading them, but then there was a lot that were not broken. Some have ferns, some don't. So I'm trying to save what pots we can. Of course, you know, time is money, so we're getting there. The good ones, the more broken ones. But I think we got a lot accomplished. I need some help, y'all. Any volunteers? Come on down. All right, so we've got a lot of the vines cut out of the center aisle and all the pots, so he's gonna try to box blade us a path through there. Gotta watch those water lines. Vines pulling, because we don't want any of the vines to pull any of the irrigation down. So far so good. that he's pulled that out, I'm actually seeing the landscape cloth is still under here. All right, now that he's got somewhat of a path cleared, I can get in here and show you what we're dealing with. I mean, look at the vines. It is like a web. It is everywhere. And the owner said this is 3 years in the making that the vines started growing, because it was right after Hurricane Michael that it blew the cover off. So all these vines have been just growing in here for 3 years. That is insane. Look at that.
You want to follow me with some lobbers?
Yeah, so I think what we are trying to accomplish right now is get the strip tubing down. So then all we're left with is just the metal support poles. That way we can just come in here with either like a small chainsaw lobber or something and just start trying to cut these vines off. Having fun yet?
Oh man, blast.
So we're removing the water line, and then we're going to try to take these support rails down so we can get to this side and get it cleaned out. We're trying to make a method to our madness here, aren't we, babe?
I think so.
We just gotta take it in small chunks, or it would definitely be overwhelming. Like, I'm not even gonna look over there yet. So, you know, it's thousands and thousands of pots. I'm not gonna look over there at all the thousands of ferns on the ground. We're just gonna concentrate in this area right now.
Eat the elephant one bite at a time. We're getting there.
Another load of vines. It's getting there.
Raise up on that end, please, Ben.
I think taking this irrigation down was probably the smartest thing.
Well, it makes it look like we've done a lot. Doesn't it?
At least we can get some of the vines down.
Can't lose that.
We've just about got one side clean. Has this been a job or what?
Yeah, a little bit.
Wow. So far, we've gone from this to this. So we have gotten half of it cleared out, and we brought the ladybug branch tractor back over again today, and we're going to try to start taking all of that irrigation down and then start working on this side. So let's go. The mister over here getting creative on how to move vines. But look, woohoo! I don't know if you can tell, but got this whole side cleared of vines and all the irrigation down. Now this side. Whew, what a day. But we got so much done. Look at that. Got all the irrigation all the way to this side over here. All the tops cleared. A lot of the vines are out. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Hey, listen, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you an update on where we're at on the greenhouse. Stay tuned for the next one.